Here's a tiny bedroom in a condo that I'm trying to rent out. Fortunately, this room has a very high ceiling, which makes it not feel so claustrophobic. But leaving the room like this is a bad idea because I'd be missing out on an opportunity to make the room appear bigger. The tip is to get the walls painted a different color from the ceiling, and that will give the illusion that the room has bigger square footage than it actually does. This is just how small the room is. Touch the wall. Touch the wall. Touch the window. Touch the wall. I'm also going to change these curtains because curtains that don't touch the floor just don't look right to me. Lastly, since there's a little bit of water view out the window, I'm going to semi-permanently attach a poster with a water feature. You see, strategically placed wall art can also make a room feel bigger. The first thing I did was to go on Amazon and get the cheapest curtains that I could find that were over 90 inches long, since the standard 84-inch curtains were too short. I found these curtains that were just $6.29 per panel. When I received the curtains, I noticed that the yellow was dingier than I expected. It was more of a wheat color than yellow, but I didn't mind the color and picked out a blue paint color that matched the blue in the curtain. I paid just under $1,000 to get the walls painted blue. The quality of these curtains exceeded my expectations considering how inexpensive they were. They feel smooth and silky, not stiff. They're not too thin. And they hang nicely. I also wanted a large poster that would blend in well with the blue wall and selected this image. I was planning to just tape the poster directly to the wall using double-sided tape, but because I got concerned that the double-sided tape might not stay stuck on a painted wall for very long, I decided to staple a poster board to the wall first and then tape the poster to the board. I should have gone to a Michael's craft store to get a single poster board that was large enough. Instead, I went to a Dollar Tree nearby and got 3 small foam boards that I then had to cut and put together to fit the size of the poster. So I ended up putting a lot more staples into the wall than I would have liked. By the way, I didn't buy black boards for a reason. It was just what the store had in stock. There was just one white board left and a bunch of black boards. I had made the poster board slightly larger than the poster so I could tape the edges of the poster to the board using masking tape, and I also put 4 strips of double-sided tape in the middle section of the poster board and the poster. For the finishing touch, I took some old wood trim, wood moldings that I had around, and cut them into 4 pieces that would fit together to form a frame around the poster, and I nailed them into the wall using an electric brad nailer to make the poster look like it was framed, but without the glass. Now the room looks bigger, really looks bigger when you see it in person, but on video it's hard to tell, which is too bad.